In this video, I'm going to show you how to write emails like a pro using ChatGPT in Android. I will simply open the ChatGPT. Now, if you give command to ChatGPT like write email, as you can see, ChatGPT is not generated a proper email. To create a professional email, mention the context. For example, if you want to send a scholarship email to your university, then give this prompt, tap on send. As you can see, ChatGPT generated a professional email. You can simply copy this email, enter your data in the boxes, and send it to your university. Now, if you want to write an email by yourself but need it to sound professional, follow these steps. Let's open a Google Mail. Let's compose an email. Suppose I am applying for a website development job. So I will write here, hello, my name is John. I have a 4 years of experience in website development. For example, I have written this small email. Now you can simply copy all the text like this, or you can take a screenshot. Let's open the ChatGPT. I will simply open the new chat, tap on gallery. I will select the screenshot, tap on add. Now give the command correct it or improve it. Simply tap on send. As you can see the email, this looks more professional and relatable. I have opened the new chat. If you copied the text from Google Mail, then tap here, write the command correct my email, tap on the comma, then paste your email, tap on send. As you can see, here is the professional and relatable version of your email. So this is how you can write emails like a pro using ChatGPT in Android. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.